Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what is growing in my garden right now. This year I am a bit late, so nothing is blooming. Everything is still growing. And I also had a shoulder injury, that's why I try to minimize things, but here they are. So this year things will be a bit late. Let me show you what I'm growing this year. Here are the plants that I have planted. I have around 100 plants this year. 100 animals, I think. Let's start here. This is the hollyhock double variety. These are some new roses that I got. Julia Child, Maria Shriver, Liv Tyler, Flamenco. Sweet pea, malva or mallow. These are poppies. This is daisy. This is pansy. And this is, I'm growing first time, this is called lobelia. A tiny flower blooming. This is larkspur, geranium. This is alyssum or sweet alyssum. I have a white and pink variety. They will be getting bushy. This is California poppy. I like this plant. And this year I have grown 6 stalks. These are white, these are probably purple, and these might be red or pink. Let's see what happens. And here are the hollyhocks, the big and single ones. They're big. They're growing fast. This is cherry gold. Here is snapdragon. This is African daisy. And these are delphiniums. I am excited to grow them. These two are yellow petunia. We will see whether it's yellow or not. And here are the dahlias. The dahlias are getting bushy, but they're not getting tall, which I wish they were. I wish they would get tall. Let's see what happens. Here's some dahlia. These are cosmos. Some more cherry. And here I have pomegranate. Today I harvested one, and this is another one. And look what I have here. Brinjals. This is huge. This is quite big. I already harvested quite some from here. These are marigold. This year I'm ignoring the marigolds because I have other plants that I'm focusing on. These are some chili and they have problem, thrips. I got chilies, but the plant does not look good. This is a double petunia. This one is also double. And here are some blooming petunias. Pink, beautiful color. Purple, white, purple. Look at them. This is Nicotiana or Nicotiana, whatever you pronounce it. And here we have gazanias. My garden is not really looking that good this year. Weather is not good, and yeah, whatever. These are nasturtiums. This is what is this called? Capsicum, pepper. This is geranium. This is Rudbeckia dwarf variety, and this is a new rose that I bought accidentally. I think this is Radiant Perfume, I'm not sure. Rudbeckia, and look at this one. Rudbeckia blooming so beautiful and big, lots of buds. This is quite nice. Coriander, this, and here I have a new plant. This is what do you call this? Zucchini, yeah. Zucchini, and zucchini is already growing. This is a zucchini plant. I'm growing them first time. And this is growing surprisingly very, very well. Let me know, have you grown zucchini in your garden before? Zucchini. This is called Tibu China, and this is a very beautiful flower. I recently went to a trip to Kerala, and I saw this flower everywhere in Kerala and Munnar. Gerbera, this is, I forgot the name. And here I have lots of strawberry this year. Here are my roses. This is Elena, 11 months old, very, very beautiful, very big size. Unfortunately, no fragrance. And I am almost happy with this plant. And this is one of my favorite, Fancy Talk. You can see why it is my favorite. Amazing. This one here is Taj Mahal. Not that good, but anyways, it will be good. This is a Desi rose that I'm growing, and it's blooming quite well. So this was a quick video. I will be planting my roses, and I'm waiting for them to bloom. The weather is really so bad. It was so hot. It was almost like summer, and my plants are really small now still. So see you in next video. Let me know how is your garden going right now, and I will come with more updates when they bloom and new videos. Don't forget to like. Stay tuned. Happy gardening. See you next time. Bye.